am 7 years old. My favorite thing is to swing on this because it can go fast.
I like the dragonfly one because I can go in its eyes. I could climb it up. It's the slide and the bunny and the fish because you get to jump around on the fish tails. You get to get in the bunny's head.
I like climbing on it. I like going down on it. I like doing flips on it. I like doing backflips on it, and I like doing front flips on it, and I like doing this on it.
Oh, wow.
Who's quiet? Who's quiet? Okay, come on.